Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a voice call on Telegram. For this demonstration, I will use a second Telegram account on my mobile phone to make a voice call to the Telegram account that is logged in on my computer. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and open the chat with the Telegram account you want to call. Now, tap the phone icon at the top of the chat to start a voice call. Telegram will now start connecting the call. Once the call is answered, the voice call will be connected successfully. As you can see, Telegram allows you to make voice calls directly from a chat. During the call, you can use the available controls to manage the call, such as muting the microphone. Once the call demonstration is complete, I will end the call. Now I will show the recorded demonstration on Telegram desktop so you can see how the voice call process works. As you can see, making a voice call on Telegram is simple. You can open a chat, select the call option, and start communicating with your Telegram contact. And that's it. This is how you can make a voice call on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.